calling problem.
Okay, class. Fong, where are you? Oh, where are the rest? Okay, let's wait for them.
Oh no.
Dạ, ba giờ bắt đầu ăn hả mợ?
Okay, class, are you now in?
Dạ, dạ, dạ.
Okay, let's have Fong. Please start, Fong. Our dog.
I don't see.
Oh, sorry, you can't see? What happened? You can't see. Okay, this one.
I see
Không.
some
Uh,
fur. Do you 28?
okay,
Yeah,
you
yeah,
still
yeah.
see now? Okay,
Yeah,
our
yeah.
dog.
Our daughter are always come with us. Sometimes we...
Close the door. Okay. The answer number three is
Tennis.
hide Jack's ball and tries to find it. He loves doing that. Last year we took Jack on a balloon and helicopter ride when he was a puppy. And number four, Hannah, number four.
When he one puppy Jack one ready
Okay, really?
release
A
um
fry.
a from
Frightened?
Dạ,
Okay,
dạ.
flying
frightened.
riding a flying but now he isn't.
Okay. We like watching movies on dad's laptop or mom's tablet and playing video games on the internet. We've got lots of apps on our phones too. One teaches me new words, but we don't do those things in the school holidays because we think it's more exciting to be outside. What do you like doing in your school holidays, Hannah?
Um, I go play outside.
Okay, you play outside. How about Fong? What do you do during your school holidays?
Holiday.
Yes, during your school holidays, what do you do?
Uh, I don't know. It's many.
Okay, you maybe go outside with your family. How about
Yeah.
Sunny? Where are you, Sunny, my dear?
We go, I go to our grandparents' house and we
Wow.
stay, and we stay there. My family stays there for 2 weeks.
Wow, that's too long. Okay, very good, Sunny. How about Sam? What do you like doing in your school holidays?
Um, I like swimming.
Mm-hmm. Swimming at the beach or pool?
Pool.
In the pool. Okay, very good. Now let's move on to section D. Now, write the correct words on the lines, then ask 4 questions. Make a cake, eat a cake. Now, Fong, drink a
Drink, drink, drink. Water. Drink. Water. Right.
drink
Milkshake.
a
Milkshake.
milkshake. Go
Go shopping.
shopping. Correct. How about Sam? Read an
Read and read and story. Read
read
and
an
an ebook. Ebook.
okay, listening to your favorite
Ebook. Favorite ebook. Ebook.
favorite favorite what?
Favorite shopping.
Favorite band. Favorite band. Sunny, phone your best.
Oh, so bad. Friend.
Go for a long
Go for the long trip.
trip. Is there's a trip here?
I walk. Truck. Walk.
Travel.
Walk.
Walk. Next, Hannah, drive a
Try
drive a tractor.
try a tractor. Truck by plane.
Okay. And drive a tractor and
Truck.
travel by plane. Okay, that is the answer. Now let's have some. How do you often do? How do you often do you
How you often do you
eat?
how often eat?
How
How
what
often do you eat?
days what
What
days
day
do you
do you play?
okay, what days do you travel? Okay, how about Hannah? How often do you make a question, class?
How how do you
Mm-hmm.
um um,
What question do you want to ask?
I don't know.
Okay, how often do you take a nap? What days do you
Night.
what
Night.
days do you
Do you take a nap?
Okay, that's a good question. Now let's have Pong. How often do you
Mhm. Mhm.
close door, close door.
Oops. How often?
Pong, how
That
often do you eat snacks? What days do you
I don't like it now. I don't
Oh,
like.
How often do you play games? Every day?
Many are play.
Okay, what days do you
Yeah.
play soccer?
What day do you play soccer? I don't play soccer in the Saturday with my friends
Okay, very good.
because
Let's,
because I don't have ball.
oh, you don't have phone.
Yeah, I
Okay,
don't play soccer.
that's sad. You don't have phone. Hannah have phone.
No,
Hannah have phone. Do you have your own phone, Hannah? Also, you
No.
don't have. Why? Okay, now let's have
just
Sunny.
a toy.
Oh, how about Sam? Do you have phone?
Yes, but it's just toy. A toy phone.
Oh, okay. When you're adults, you can use your phone anytime you like. Next, let's have Sunny. How often do you
Wow, how often do
make a
you
question?
how how often do you go to school?
Yes. What days do you?
Play with friends.
Okay, very good. That is the answer. Next, how often do you drink milk? Some?
I drink milk all day.
Rồi giờ này chấm
I
bệnh rồi.
I often drink milk
often drink milk. Uh,
at night.
I often drink milk all day.
Okay, very good. Next, Fong, what days do you phone your mom? What days do you phone your mom?
I don't phone your mom because my mom say no.
No phone.
But, but no, you
Your mom
have
is so
homework.
sweet.
You will done your homework and you let me check.
Okay. Now let's have Hannah. How often do you listen to music?
In the night.
At night. At night. Okay, next. Oh, what happened? Sorry.
Oh,
Huh?
oh.
Oh. Now, what days do you play badminton? What days do you play badminton?
I I
Sunny?
never play I never play badminton.
What do you play? Oh, oh. What do you play? I play. I play soccer. Okay, class. It's finished. Okay, now we have time. I'm sorry, but we need to have
4 minutes.
okay, we
4.
have 4 minutes class. Maybe we can play games on Friday. Okay? So I
Yes.
give a reward for each all of you so you can rest because you have class tomorrow. Okay? Let's have
Okay.
active in listening, active in reading, being on time, doing your task, a good student, helping others, task, participating, persistent, and working hard. Okay, let's give for top one. For Sunny, top one. Top two, let's give for Top two, let's give for Fong. Top two. Okay, top three is Hannah. And now top three and top four for myself. Okay. Okay, class. Now we will end the class because it's almost late. Okay, that's all for tonight. You can sleep now, Hannah. I know you're very tired. Thank you so much, Sunny. Thank you,
Goodbye,
Fong,
teacher.
Sam,
Teacher.
and Hannah. Good night. I love
Uh,
you all and have a
Goodbye.
wonderful dreams. Love you. Bye.